how to check deleted voicemail messages on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you simple way to check your deleted voicemail messages on your iPhone. You know those times when you accidentally delete a message or just want to go back and listen to something? So you're in the right place. So open up your phone app and then you can see the voicemail option in the bottom right. Just go ahead and tap on it. And now here, if you have deleted a voicemail, you will see the deleted voicemail folder right here. You just need to tap on that folder and scroll all the way down to the voicemail that you want to, and then you can tap on it and recover your voicemail. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.